What if the autistic brain isn't a puzzle to solve, but a masterpiece to understand? Here's how it really works. The autistic brain processes information in a unique way, with heightened sensitivity to details, patterns, and sensory input, creating both remarkable strengths and unique challenges. Unlike neurotypical brains, autistic brains often show enhanced connectivity in areas tied to focus and systemizing, allowing deep dives into complex tasks, but may struggle with filtering social or sensory overload. Imagine a camera with a super sharp lens, capturing every detail but sometimes overwhelmed by too much light. For example, take Maya, an autistic artist who creates intricate designs because her brain notices patterns others miss. Research shows autistic individuals excel at tasks requiring precision, like coding or engineering, due to this intense focus, but noisy environments or vague social cues can be draining. By understanding this wiring, we can create supportive environments, like quiet workspaces or clear communication, that amplify these strengths. It's not about changing the brain, it's about celebrating its brilliance. Reflect on this. Maybe your unique way of seeing the world isn't a flaw, but a gift wired differently. If this resonates with you, you might relate to this next video. The hidden superpower. Every autistic person has. Subscribe for more autism insights, share this if it hits home, and check the pinned comment for the link to our next video. Because your brain is your power.